There's something incredibly satisfying about working with the right tools, especially when it comes to a good jigsaw. Whether you're into DIY home repairs, weekend woodworking projects, or you're just looking for a dependable saw to have in your toolkit, a high-quality jigsaw can completely change the game. It's the kind of tool that gives you precision, power, and flexibility. Whether you're cutting curves, bevels, or working through tough materials like hardwood or metal. In this video, I've rounded up 9 of the best jigsaws you can buy right now for home use and woodworking. You'll find everything from budget-friendly options to pro-level picks, so no matter what you're working on or how much you want to spend, there's something here for you. All the product links are down in the description, so feel free to check them out as we go. Let's dive in. Starting off strong, the DeWalt DCS335B is a cordless powerhouse that brings serious performance to your hands. With a 3200 SPM brushless motor, this thing just eats through wood like butter. What I really like about it is the precision. You've got a variable speed trigger, an LED light for visibility, and a solid barrel grip that makes it comfortable to use even over long sessions. It's quiet, powerful, and thanks to the tool-free blade change system, it's super convenient. It's perfect for someone who wants pro-level quality without being tethered to a cord. Compared to the DeWalt DCS335B, which we'll touch on later, this one keeps things a little lighter and more ergonomic. If portability and power are top of your list, this is an excellent place to start. You could easily use it to cut intricate shapes in hardwood or to make clean plunge cuts with total control. The runtime is great if you're already in the DeWalt battery system, and it's one of those tools that just feels right in hand from the moment you pick it up. Next up is the Hammerhead HJS048, which honestly overdelivers for its price range. This 4.8 amp corded model gives you solid speed control and orbital function, and it even comes with 2 wood cutting blades right out of the box. It's a no-frills workhorse that's great for basic woodworking, trimming, or home repairs. The 3/4 inch stroke length and variable speed dial make it surprisingly versatile. It's a bit louder and not quite as smooth as the DeWalt, but if you want something reliable without spending too much, this one's a gem. Think of it as the ideal tool for casual DIYers or first-time jigsaw buyers who want quality without bells and whistles. It's also light enough to handle comfortably, even during overhead cutting or tight space jobs. For simple shelf installations or cutting down plywood, this saw gives you more than enough capability. Then there's the SKIL JS100K, which brings an impressive combo of affordability and thoughtful design. This 6 amp corded jigsaw has a sturdy feel and includes 4 orbital settings plus a tool-free blade change system. One feature I appreciate is the onboard dust blower. It keeps your cut line visible, which is a small touch that makes a big difference. This model is great for semi-regular use around the house or light wood projects. It's smoother and a bit quieter than the Hammerhead, but a step below the DeWalt in terms of raw power. Still, for under $100, it punches above its weight. The ergonomic handle feels secure even when working at sharp angles. If you're someone who enjoys the occasional craft project or furniture modification, this jigsaw will definitely come in handy. Now, if you're on a tight budget but still want something dependable, the BLACKDECKER BDEJS300C is worth a look. It's a 4.5 amp model, so it won't compete with the higher-end saws for power, but it gets the job done for light-duty work. The compact size makes it easy to maneuver, and it's got enough speed for basic cuts in wood and plastic. You don't get variable speed or orbital settings here, so it's more for straightforward cutting tasks. But for simple trim work or crafting, this is the kind of tool that earns its keep without breaking the bank. It's a great entry-level model for those just starting out with power tools. If your projects mostly involve softwood and short cutting sessions, this is honestly all you need. It won't wow you with features, but it won't disappoint in performance either. Back to DeWalt with the DCS335B, which is essentially the beefed-up version of the DCS334B. What makes this one stand out is the D-handle grip. It offers excellent control, especially for vertical or angled cuts. You still get the same 3200 SPM brushless motor and LED light, but the ergonomics are better suited for folks who prefer a traditional jigsaw shape. If you're tackling more demanding work or working in awkward positions, this model gives you the control you need. Unlike the DCS334B, which feels more compact, this one's clearly built for more aggressive cutting and extended sessions. This would be my pick for someone doing full-day cabinet installations or long hours in the workshop. The power delivery stays consistent even under load, and it has that solid DeWalt durability you expect. The WEN 33606 comes next, and let me tell you, this one's kind of a sleeper hit. It's a 6.6 amp jigsaw with variable speed and orbital settings, but what really surprised me was the inclusion of both a laser guide and LED light. That's a feature combo you usually only find in higher-end models. Imagine you're cutting detailed designs into plywood for a home renovation. With the laser guide, your cuts stay straight and the LED helps when you're working late into the evening. It's slightly bulkier than the SKIL or Hammerhead, but it makes up for it with features and cutting accuracy. You can even fine-tune the orbital action depending on the material. For hobbyists and seasoned tinkerers alike, this saw brings impressive versatility to the table. If durability is your top concern, the Makita JV0600K is built like a tank. This top-handle jigsaw has a die-cast aluminum gear housing and a heavy-duty 6.5 amp motor, which means it handles hardwood and denser materials with ease. When looking at this model closely, I was really impressed by the reduced vibration. It just feels solid. It doesn't have a light or laser, but if you're a more experienced user who values build quality and smooth operation over flashy features, this is the tool for you. It's a little more expensive than the WEN or SKIL, but you'll feel the difference in control and power immediately. It's also great for laminate, engineered wood, and even mild metal cuts. For pros or serious weekend warriors, this Makita won't let you down. Now for a solid middle ground option, the Craftsman CMCS600D1. This is a cordless, battery-powered jigsaw that's built for flexibility. It's got 3 orbital settings, variable speed up to 2,500 SPM, and it even comes with a charger and battery, which is a nice bonus. What stands out most about this design is how beginner-friendly it is. It's lightweight, intuitive, and balanced well for overhead or angled cuts. Picture yourself installing shelves in your garage or cutting plywood for a workbench. You want something reliable, but not overly complex. That's exactly where the Craftsman shines. It's compatible with other V20 tools, which makes it even more attractive if you're already in that ecosystem. For moderate home projects, it's a very smart buy. Last but not least, the Hilti JS100C packs in more features than you'd expect for the price. This 6.7 amp jigsaw goes from 800 to 3000 SPM and offers 6 variable speeds, 4 orbital settings, a 45-degree bevel cut, and even includes 6 blades plus a laser guide. That's a whole lot of tool for the money. Imagine you're working on a mix of wood and plastic in your garage, maybe cutting out designs or working on furniture accents. This saw adapts easily and gives you pro-like control without the pro-level price tag. It's louder and slightly less refined in its construction, but if you're okay with a few trade-offs for value, it's hard to beat. It's one of those tools that surprise you with how much you can get done with it. And yes, it even holds up decently when working with denser materials like MDF or melamine. So, how do you choose the right one? If you're working in your garage or tackling demanding projects, go with something rugged and powerful like DeWalt or Makita. These brands are built to last. For budget-conscious users who still want solid performance, options from Hammerhead, SKIL, or Hilti are all reliable picks. If cordless flexibility is your priority, there are great battery-powered models from DeWalt and Craftsman that offer strong performance and precise control. If you're brand new to jigsaws and just want something simple, BLACKDECKER has a basic model that's easy to use without overwhelming features. Want pro-style extras like a laser guide and LED light without breaking the bank? WEN has you covered. At the end of the day, think about what materials you'll be cutting, how often you'll use it, and how much power or precision you actually need. If clean curves and accuracy matter most, look for models with orbital settings and a dust blower. For heavy-duty use, stick with trusted brands like DeWalt or Makita. And if you're after great value and flexibility, Hilti might surprise you with how much it offers. Check the links in the description to explore each tool, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and DIY tips.